Your Honda can do things the manual never told you about. Hidden features built into the car that make driving easier, safer, and way more convenient. Secret shortcuts that save you time and money. And clever tricks that even Honda dealerships don't advertise because they want to charge you for services you can do yourself in 30 seconds. I've been a Honda technician for over 15 years, and I've discovered dozens of hacks that most Honda owners will never know about. Some of these are hidden in the owner's manual in tiny print. Others are passed around between mechanics, and a few I discovered completely by accident. Today, I'm sharing 17 genius Honda hacks that'll change how you use your car. From one-button commands that unlock hidden menus, to maintenance shortcuts that save hundreds of dollars, to safety features you didn't know you had. Hack number 11 will blow your mind. It's been in your Honda this whole time and you had no idea. Let's get started. Hack 1. Emergency brake light flash. Here's a safety hack that could save your life. When you brake hard in an emergency, your Honda automatically flashes the brake lights rapidly to warn drivers behind you. But most people don't know you can trigger this manually. Here's how. If you see danger ahead and need to warn the car behind you, tap your brake pedal rapidly 3 to 4 times. Your brake lights will start flashing in a distinct pattern, different from normal braking. This alerts the driver behind you that something's wrong, giving them extra time to react. This works on most 2015-plus Honda models with Vehicle Stability Assist. I've used this dozens of times when I see accidents ahead on the highway. It really works. Hack 2. Instant Max Defrost Mode. Cold morning and your windshield is fogged up. Don't waste time adjusting climate controls. Here's the instant defrost hack. Press and hold the defrost button for 3 seconds. Your Honda will automatically turn on max heat, set fan to highest speed, engage AC to remove moisture, and direct all airflow to windshield. Your windshield clears in under 60 seconds. To exit max defrost mode, just press the defrost button again. Works on all Hondas with automatic climate control. Hack 3. One-touch turn signal. Hate when your turn signal keeps blinking after you've already changed lanes. Honda has a one-touch mode. Instead of pushing the turn signal stalk all the way, just tap it lightly. Push halfway up or down and release. The signal will blink exactly 3 times, then turn off automatically. Perfect for quick lane changes on the highway. Once you get used to this, you'll never fully engage the turn signal again. Hack 4. Remote window reset. After you disconnect your battery or get a jump start, your auto-up windows stop working properly. Here's how to reset them without going to the dealer. Roll the window all the way down. Hold the button for 2 extra seconds after it's fully down. Roll the window all the way up. Hold the button for 2 extra seconds after it's fully up. Repeat for each window that needs resetting. Done. Auto up and auto down now work perfectly. This also works after replacing a battery or if your windows randomly stop auto functioning. Hack 5. Hidden jumper point under the hood. Dead battery and you can't pop the hood because the electronic release won't work? Honda has a hidden emergency jumper point. Look under the front of the car, driver's side. You'll see a small red plastic cap near the fender, about 6 inches behind the wheel. Pop that cap off. Behind it is a positive battery terminal you can jump from. Connect your jumper cables here, jump the car, and once the electronics are powered, you can pop the hood normally. This saves you from having to crawl under the car to access the battery directly. Hack 6. Headlight delay adjustment. Your headlights stay on for 30 seconds after you lock the car and walk away. But did you know you can adjust how long they stay on? Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Within 5 seconds, pull the headlight stalk toward you, like you're flashing the high beams, 4 times. You'll hear a beep. Your headlights will now stay on for 60 seconds instead of 30. Want them to turn off immediately? Do the same process, but pull the stalk 5 times. Perfect if you park in a dark driveway and need extra time to reach your door. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to grab your free copy of the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. Trust me, it's a game changer. Hack 7. Fuel door release. Without button. Can't find the fuel door release button? Or what if it breaks? You don't need it. Just push on the fuel door itself. It'll pop open. All Hondas from 2010 plus have pressure release fuel doors. No button required. The button inside is just for convenience. But if it stops working or you're driving someone else's Honda, just press the door. Hack 8. Instant trip computer reset. Want to reset your trip odometer, average miles per gallon, or other trip computer data? Don't dig through menus. Press and hold the trip button on your dash for 3 seconds. Everything resets instantly. Perfect for tracking fuel economy on road trips or monitoring mileage between oil changes. Hack 9. Key fob battery dying. Start your car. Anyway, your key fob battery is dead and your car won't detect it. Don't panic. You can still start the car. Hold the key fob directly against the start button. The car has an RFID reader in the button that can detect the fob's chip even with a dead battery. Press the fob against the button, then press the button to start. You'll have enough power to start the car and drive to get a replacement battery. Works on all push-button start Hondas. Hack 10. Disable passenger airbag for car seat. Installing a rear-facing car seat in the front passenger seat, you must disable the airbag, or it could seriously injure the child. Look in your glove box. You'll see a keyhole labeled passenger airbag. Insert your car key and turn it to off. A light on the dash will illuminate, showing the passenger airbag is disabled. When you remove the car seat, turn the key back to on to re-enable the airbag. Most people don't know this feature exists. It's hidden and rarely explained. Hack 11. Secret storage compartment. This one blows people's minds. Your Honda has a hidden storage compartment that most owners never discover. Open your center console armrest. At the very front of the compartment, there's a small plastic panel. Pull up on that panel and it lifts out. Underneath is a hidden storage area, perfect for hiding valuables, cash, or important documents. This works on Civics, Accords, CR-Vs, and most Honda models from 2016 plus. I've had customers own their Honda for 5 years and never know this exists. Hack 12. Rear seat. Easy entry release. Need to get into the back seat, but the front seat is in the way? Don't manually slide the seat forward. Pull the seat back release lever, the one you use to fold the seat. But instead of folding it, pull the lever and push the entire seat forward. The seat will slide forward on the track and fold, creating maximum space to access the back. To return it, just push the seat back upright and slide the seat back. Works on Civic Coupes, Accord Coupes, and any two-door Honda. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Hack 13. Automatic climate control memory. Tired of adjusting your climate control settings every time you start the car? Your Honda remembers your last settings automatically. But here's the hack most people don't know. If you set the climate to a specific temperature and fan speed, then turn off the car, those settings save. But if you turn the climate system off before turning off the car, it stays off when you restart. This is perfect for mild weather when you don't need AC or heat. Instead of turning the fan down, just turn the whole system off. Next time you start the car, it stays off. Hack 14. Parking brake. Auto hold. Sitting at a long red light and your foot hurts from holding the brake? Use parking brake auto hold. Come to a complete stop. Pull up on the electronic parking brake button or engage the foot brake on older models. Your parking brake holds the car in place. When the light turns green, just press the gas. The parking brake releases automatically. No need to use your foot brake or shift to park. Works on all Hondas with electronic parking brakes, 2016 plus. Hack 15. Moonroof vent position. Did you know your moonroof has a vent mode? Press the moonroof button once quickly. The moonroof tilts up at the rear instead of sliding open. This creates a vent that pulls hot air out of the cabin without letting too much wind in. Perfect for highway driving when you want fresh air without the noise of a fully open sunroof. To close the vent, press and hold the moonroof button until it fully closes. Hack 16. Steering wheel position memory. Hate readjusting your steering wheel every time someone else drives your car. Some Hondas have memory settings. Adjust your steering wheel to your perfect position in /out and up/down. Press and hold the set button on your door panel. While holding set, press memory button 1. You'll hear a beep. Your position is saved. Now, anytime someone moves the steering wheel, just press memory button 1 and it returns to your saved position automatically. Works on Accords, Pilots, and higher trims with memory seats. Hack 17. Check your transmission fluid without a dipstick. Newer Hondas don't have transmission dipsticks, but you can still check the fluid level. Jack up the front of the car and put it on. Jack stands. The car must be level. Start the engine and let it run for 5 minutes to warm up the transmission. Locate the transmission fill bolt on the driver's side of the transmission. Remove the bolt. Fluid should drip out slowly. If it does, the level is correct. If no fluid comes out, add transmission fluid through the fill hole until it starts to drip. This is how dealers check transmission fluid on sealed transmissions. Now, you can do it yourself for free. Why dealers don't share these hacks. You're probably wondering, why doesn't Honda advertise these features? 3 reasons. First, they're buried in the 400-page owner's manual. Most people never read past page 50. These hacks are in there, but hidden in technical language. Second, dealers make money on services you can do yourself. Headlight aiming, battery resets, transmission checks. If you can do it yourself, they lose revenue. Third, some features are regional or trim-specific. Not every Honda has every hack. Dealers don't want to confuse customers, so they just don't mention them. But now you know, and you can use these hacks to save time, money, and frustration. Final thoughts. Your Honda is smarter than you think. These 17 hacks unlock features and shortcuts that make your car more convenient, safer, and easier to maintain. From emergency brake flashes to hidden storage compartments to transmission checks without a dipstick, these are the tricks Honda owners wish they'd known from day one. So bookmark this video, try each hack, and share it with other Honda owners. Because once you start using these, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab your free 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, completely free, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.